Teledyne Lehman Labs has been the dependable leader in mercury analysis for more than 2 decades and is pleased to offer the new Hydra II family of dedicated mercury analyzers, all providing outstanding measurement sensitivity, greater analysis throughput, and operational simplicity. The Hydra IIC is truly a laboratory workhorse. That's because it requires no sample pre-treatment and measures the amount of mercury in a sample in as little as 5 minutes, using the technique of thermal decomposition with gold amalgamation, followed by cold vapor atomic absorption spectroscopy. And, like other members of the Hydra II family, the Hydra IIC can be easily reconfigured so that methods which require sample digestion with mercury reduction can be utilized. The system is ideally suited for the determination of mercury in a wide variety of solid or semi-solid matrices, such as soils, sediments, foods, tissue, blood, coal, mineral ores, plastics, polymers, petrochemical, sewage, and sludge. The operation of the system is quite straightforward. Samples are first weighed in boats on an analytical balance. The weights are electronically transferred to the system and each boat loaded onto the sample tray. When all of the samples have been loaded, the analysis sequence begins with the first boat automatically inserted into the decomposition furnace. Once the sample is in the furnace, an oxidizing gas passes over the surface. The furnace is then heated in 2 stages. The first, to dry the sample, and the second, at a much higher temperature to thermally decompose it. Gases are evolved and transferred to a heated catalyst tube where free mercury is produced while other species, including halogens, nitrous oxide, and sulfur, are removed. The mercury is then swept through a dryer and onto a gold trap, often referred to as an amalgamator, where it is concentrated and immobilized. The trap is then rapidly heated, releasing the mercury which flows into the atomic absorption spectrometer. The spectrometer employs a 2-cell design. The mercury flows into the first cell, which has a long path length. The long path length enables it to detect very low levels of mercury. In order for samples with a very high concentration to be accurately measured, a second cell with a much shorter path length cell is used automatically when the absorbance maximum of the long path cell has been exceeded. The 2-cell design delivers outstanding sensitivity and very wide dynamic range. Both are equally important characteristics in maximizing analysis throughput. The Hydra IIC offers a couple of distinct advantages over other mercury analysis techniques. No sample preparation is needed. That means that no corrosive reagents are used or hazardous waste created that has to be disposed of safely. And a single calibration can be used for many sample types, saving both time and money. The Hydra IIC is easily adaptable should your analysis requirements change. If you ever need to analyze samples that require digestion, mercury reduction, and cold vapor atomic absorption, a modular kit is available to convert from one technique to the other. Conversion is very straightforward and can be accomplished in minutes. For more information on the Hydra IIC Mercury Analyzer, please visit our website at www.teledynelehmanlabs.com or contact our worldwide headquarters.